Hi, welcome to the Pony Jorgensen workshop. Today, we're going to show you the features and applications of the Pony spring clamps. These classic Pony clamps have proven durability and are a must-have for both pros and DIYers. These clamps have a single point of pressure and are made of zinc-plated steel. Pony offers a variety of sizes of spring clamps ranging from 1 to 4-inch jaw openings. These clamps are available with or without the polyvinyl handles and tips. The tips will protect your workpiece from scratches, and the handles will give you a firm, comfortable grip. Pony's spring clamps are capable of safely holding together wood, metal, plastic, fabric, and more. Thank you for stopping by the Pony Jorgensen workshop. For more information on tools and projects, visit ponyjorgensen.com.